Directions and maps. Directions and maps help us in pointing the location of a particular area or an object. There are 4 main directions: north, east, west, and south. We can also locate an object on a map using a spot. Look at the given scenery. Let's find out the location of the objects using spot. Look at the letter A and the number 3. The sun is at A3. Look at the letter A and the number 2. The pond is at A2. Look at the letter A and the number 1. The dustbin is at A1. Look at the letter B and number 3. The birds are at B3. Look at the letter B and the number 2. The hut is at B2. Look at the letter C and the number 2. The bench is at C2. Look at the letter C and the number 1. The dog is at C1. Spot is a location or position, so A3, B3, C3 and so on are spots.